Complete automatic gummy candy packaging, line for modern confectionery factories. This fully automatic gummy candy lifting and feeding machine transfers candies smoothly to the weighing system. It improves feeding efficiency and provides stable product supply for continuous packaging production. The automatic gummy candy weighing filling machine provides accurate candy measurement. It ensures consistent filling quantity and improves packaging accuracy. This automatic 8-wheels bottle capping machine delivers fast and stable bottle sealing. The high-speed bottle labeling machine applies labels accurately on every bottle. It improves packaging appearance and production efficiency.